Hello, investors. Welcome to Pro Data Traders, the show where we decode India's hottest stock stories. I'm Barkha, and today we're diving into Waaree Energies, the solar titan that's lighting up the stock market with a 300% profit surge. With me is our resident stock market guru. Analyst, Waaree's stock is up 137% this year. What's fueling this madness?
Thanks, Barkha. Madness? More like a calculated solar revolution. Waaree isn't just riding India's renewable wave, they're leading it. A 47,000 crore order book, US factories, and a green hydrogen play? This stock's a multi-year growth rocket.
Let's start with the numbers. FY25 revenue hit 14,846 crore, and PAT tripled. How did they pull this off?
3 words: operational efficiency. Their EBITDA margin jumped to 21% as they cut reliance on Chinese cells and optimized costs. Plus, their US exports now make up 21% of revenue, where margins are 2x India's. But the real kicker? Their CFO, Sonal Shrivastava, mentioned in the con call that retail solar orders are booming. Think PM Surya Ghar Yojana driving 3 GW demand alone.
Wow. But their debt doubled to 1,365 crore. Red flag?
Temporary pain for long-term gain. They're investing 15,550 crore in factories and acquisitions. Debt to equity is still safe at 0.21. Cash flow from operations? A healthy 3,158 crore. This isn't reckless spending, it's strategic dominance.
Speaking of dominance, their Texas factory went live in January. Can they crack the US market?
Absolutely. The US solar market is a 30B opportunity. And Waaree's modules sell at 35 cents W there versus 17 cents in India. Even if the IRA fades, their CEO Amit Pathankar said they're built to survive. Plus, their 54% overseas order book de-risks India's policy swings.
But First Solar and Chinese giants like LONGi are rivals. Can Waaree compete?
Cost leadership. Waaree's cell production costs are 15% lower than China's post-PLI subsidies. And their new 5.4 gigawatts TOPCon cell line launching mid-2025 will boost margins further. They're not just competing, they're outpricing.
Let's talk future bets. They're splurging 2,073 crore on batteries and hydrogen. Isn't that risky?
High risk, stratospheric reward. Green hydrogen demand will grow 10x by 2030. Waaree's already won a 90,000-ton SECI tender and bagged a PLI for electrolyzers. Their 3.5 GWh battery plant? Perfect for India's solar storage hybrid projects. This isn't diversification, it's vertical empire building.
Alright, time for reality checks. What could go wrong?
3 risks. 1. ALMM policy delays if cell inclusion gets pushed beyond 2026, imports surge. 2. US tariffs, Trump's administration is unpredictable. 3. Execution 6,808 crore capex in FY25 alone. But Waaree's track record 15 gigawatts delivered on time eases fears.
Would you buy the stock at 3,007?
Before we dive into that, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Your support motivates us to bring you more in-depth analysis. At 46x PE? It's pricey but justified. I'd wait for a dip below 2,800. Long term? 4,000 by 2026 is achievable.
Time for viewer questions. At Solar Investor asks, is Waaree's 730W HJT module a game changer?
Massive. It's India's first BIS-certified ultra-high efficiency panel. Expect 25% EBITDA margins once scaled.
Next, how exposed is Waaree to Chinese supply chains?
Still 40% reliant, but their Odisha PLI plant's 6 gigawatts wafers will cut this to 15% by 2027.
Final thoughts, analyst?
Waaree is India's best bet to lead the global solar race. Buy, hold, and forget this stock will shine brighter than the sun. Just a quick reminder, this video is for informational purposes only and isn't financial advice. Always do your own research. And talk to a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.
Love the pun. Thanks, analyst. Viewers, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell. We'll be dissecting another stock next week. Until then, keep investing wisely.